which is a reusable variable, or you can reassign this variable using the let keyword. Declare a variable named sale. Right, so sale, and assign the value true to it. Okay, so let sale equal true. Okay. Okay, now create an if. Okay, so now create an if statement. Provide the if statement a condition of sale. So inside the code block of the if statement, console.log the string time to buy. So let's start off with the if statement, and we're just going to put sale in the parentheses, because if we say if sale, it means if sale is equal to true. So if sale is true, basically, then you don't actually have to say if sale is equal to true. You don't have to set it equal to true like so. See, you don't need to do that. You can just say if sale, which is the same as if sale is equal to true. So that is true. Then console.log. Let's see what they tell us. Okay, so inside the code block of the if statement, console.log the string time to buy. Oops. Let's run that. Alright, I forgot the semicolon here at the end. Okay, so notice that the code inside the if statement ran since time to buy was logged to the console. Below the sale variable declaration, but before the if statement, reassign sale to false. Run your code and observe what happens. We'll be changing this behavior in the next exercise. So below sale variable declaration, but before the if statement, reassign sale false. Nothing happened. Right, moving on. Conditional statement.